welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel.
Good morning everyone.
Yes guys, so we are heading into alright guys, so this morning we are heading to Grantham. Is it Morant? It's Morant. where where Janet lives. Last time we went and did an interview with her because she is in need of great help to build a home for her and her mom and son. And so we are heading back to her this morning just to provide an update. Do enjoy the ride and please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel so once we post a video you will be updated. Alright, so right now we just exited Spalding's and we are heading to White Shop. I don't know if we're in White Shop yet, but I know that we return off to head down to Grantham. That's White Shop there.
A White Shop out there?
Yeah, we have to go look.
So please get your name.
I don't know. White Shop. Maybe there was a White Shop there. And it's thick.
Alright. A White Shop on the stick.
Something like that.
How far the journey be again?
Not sure. Oh, it's 9:05, so we have a good time.
Alright, we start from here, so.
Alright, so this is White Shop.
That's in a White Shop.
So the sign there, it's a White Shop.
Yeah, I sign white.
Quite the hard rain. And guys, can I tell you, the last couple of days has been very, very cold. I think, yeah, I think yesterday wasn't so bad in our area in Trelawney. But like today now, we are in Clarendon. In Trelawney, it's overcast when we left this morning, and we're heading down into Grantham now. And ahead of us is just pure fog. So I can only imagine that maybe down there it's just, you know, cold as well. Yeah, so keep warm, guys. Yeah.
So a cold front I have down here now. Long as
Probably.
9 miles from where?
From, not sure it's from which end.
From Frankfield?
Probably. But that's another 9 miles from Spalding. Oh boy, so guys, this morning in traffic, a gentleman, we were in the car and heard this tugging at the back as if somebody hit our car. But you know, we're friends. We came out and realized, you know, that he actually hit the car, but there was no damage. So we're giving God thanks for that, because I was saying, boy, it's an inconvenience that we can't tolerate right now, but the Lord knows best. So the gentleman said that he just turned his head just for a moment, just to check his laptop on the seat to see if it was okay, if it was sliding off or anything, and then before he knew it, he was in the back of the car, but no damage.
The man said, thank you man, thank you. Because I said, nothing broke man, everything good.
Yeah.
Thank you man.
Yes man. Blood coverage in Jesus' name. Yep. Sanguinetti?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Sanguinetti.
Sanguinetti.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Why that's alright now?
We don't have no umbrella this morning just in case it rains.
No umbrella, Lena?
And we're going down into the fog.
Need to get back some raincoat. Washing, so you know, see some silver liners.
Let me see.
One whole heap of kinds in there.
I'm gonna take them out. Oh yeah man, a whole heap of money.
I will vex money that.
A whole heap of coins that make noise, guys. Just can't hear us too good. See if I get them out.
Take them out!
Oh. It's a whole heap, man.
You see them from the other day, you know? They're down here turn Newcastle and Blue Mountain.
True. I'll put these things in. Yeah, see, quiet now.
Yeah.
Oops.
So, someday over there, sort of? One man there behind me, I'm going to make him pass. He's going to push me down here. We're going on that road there already.
Yeah, a long time ago, long years ago.
Where place where I look for name again? Where they roadside?
Oh.
Where my name?
The man where we're going to?
Where we da look for?
Oh. Morant.
Morant. where I look for Morant again. We're going to pay him our next visit.
This time though, we have a better idea of where we're going.
Because we're going to make one left turn and go up the hill.
Yeah. So we're not going all the way down like we did the last time. Huge house.
Yes.
Rain
Very
is coming
huge.
down now. Rain, rain.
Jesus. How are we going to weather?
Well, we're almost there. Can't turn back now.
We're not turn back. We're not turn back.
Oh, the face of the house is this way. Oh, so where's the road?
Which one? Where turn?
No man, to get to that house over in
Maybe
there.
the on the top side.
Oh, okay. Oh yes guys, so it has started to rain. Not heavily, but it's still raining.
Rain. Yes, we have to go to John's Hall. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yes, we'll continue. Go through Grantham and then we make one left turn up in a hill. Told you.
What a hop our roads is like.
Me I told you right now. And right now me I told you.
The road lonely though. I don't pass no vehicle from where I come.
A vehicle pass we? Oh, you not pass on? Journey, my Jesus. Journey along with me. You hear that? Although I'm late,
Oh boy.
I am on my journey. Although I'm late, sing with me. I am on my way. Although I'm late, I am on my journey. Journey, my Jesus. Journey along with me. I don't know with. With me. Journey along with me. Because them are singing song, then I'm going to say with.
Where you drumming on your business for this morning, eh?
Sing a song, man.
You sing and we will listen.
No, I'm my audience.
You so know.
My audience, I'm my viewers, them. Hey, what's up?
I saw this car this morning.
Yes. Yes. Tasty food.
The pig and the chicken.
Summerfield Church Center. How is that? Yeah? A big advertisement that's for them, you know.
I'm telling you.
When they say I'm going to pay for that. See there? And they have hag and fall. You see hag and people I did. Yeah?
Wow.
If you follow me, I'm going to miss a journey, you know. We're not going to see Morant. Yeah.
Not a man, it's a lady.
Our lady named Morant?
No, that's driving.
Oh. Well, I know you drive me a talk, I car.
Oh,
The car and him.
okay. The man car.
So we reach now, not sure. Now turn up this.
Hold on, no.
No, I want corner. I miss him, I look on the other side. Anything we turn up on the other side, I look out.
The last time we missed it because we kept looking right based on the direction, but we weren't supposed to look on the left.
Yeah.
So you can't miss it this morning. Whoa!
Yes. Rain stop. You know.
That you still want. Okay, hold on.
Yes, we. Oh,
Yes, we what?
I think we reach out, man.
That's it.
Morant. Me tell us, please say the last. I talk about me last. You still say it, you know.
Oh boy.
If you look for something, no hit last. Oh.
But you not apply to places.
Yes or no? Once you can't find a place, I hit last. Remember yourself. No, there's something pass.
What's that?
And him, I drive on the right hand side of the road. Give me pass, come here, come. Stop, me I go look back. We done eat half the pork and the chicken with the on the back glass already, so we don't want no more. Not sure.
Time up.
We eat it with the eye. Yeah, because I see something funny about yum.
Yum.
Yeah.
Yum.
Like I eat a cartoon I eat. See that put me whenever I wash the car this morning I see watch it.
Yeah, that mess up. Oh, I have to get some of this dirt off her.
Yes, we're gonna make one left turn around here, so no. Right up, yes, yeah, uphill. Nothing, we're not even make no turn, that's straight where I go. See that? See that? And then we are gonna make one right turn up there, so.
Okay.
Yes.
Calm down.
Me nah give no nothing for calm. We are make one right turn up there, so. Remember I road now, you know? Tell us say place can't last again, man.
Can't last.
Guys, we find a place without any direction this time. See it? Only two say we have to drive far up the hill before we make the right turn.
Yeah.
Yes. See there? We make a right turn right at the post. Yes. A straight road or
no, it's right. You're on the right.
Yeah, no, man. I say if a straight road I want to turn.
Oh, okay.
So we good now. The place can't last again.
Remember this place?
Yeah, and then if I park up there, someone will come. So they know so we are come back. You see them a park up. Plant them.
Everything.
Plant them Callaloo herd.
Gadget, so you drive tired. Because you go slower than normal.
Remember that someone can't last. Please can't last.
So what are in here, Morant? Well,
Maybe. No, sorry, the community couldn't so big.
this road or two. Maybe the tunnel. Detour.
My virgin that, you know?
Not even go bother ask the wrong way.
Yeah, let me answer.
Yeah, man.
So my virgin. So no break, no squeak today. We not squeak, no break.
So one sign here. See, it's a Morant church sign.
Yeah. See, it's gonna ask no direction today. That place fine way.
Go for a little.
Up in here, so we are go. You see that?
Oh yeah, this is Kevin there.
Yes, we know where we are go. The place can't last again.
Yeah, turn that back in.
Yes.
Okay. Ooh. We're here.
That's the sound of the reverse system. So that is not the seat belt, guys. Okay, man, now if you park somewhere different.
Oh, okay.
Where you want to go?
Ew. Right here?
Right here? Go back. You can't come back no more. Take your face out there. Come back.
Oh, you say you can come back a little more.
So if you take my face out the road,
Come back.
I will tell yourself my face in the road, my boss.
Are you born here?
What man running the back of the vehicle this morning?
Same thing.
And then you tell me if you turn my face out, every man running it now.
Your face.
Yeah?
Hey, what?
Morning.
You have the mic?
No.
The mic, yeah. I'm hungry, you know? You have food?
That's a who? Me or Kevin?
That you may deal with.
Oh, food.
May I pour enough to feed me, man?
Ready?
I've on my clothes, yes.
This one, but one button are done.
Nothing, never always button nothing.
Yeah.
You can't button because button pop off.
Oh, make it stay then.
I know my son and I use this thing anyway, let's see.
Oh Lord. Hi, how are you? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel again. I know we welcomed you this morning when we were doing the journey, but we're actually at the location now. We're gonna head down shortly with us, you know, myself, Marcel, and this is Kevin. Kevin is the one who had introduced us to Miss Janet, and so, you know, we saw it fitted to ask him to be here this morning when we do the visit. All right, so we're gonna go down now and have a look and speak with her as well, so do join us. All right, and please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. All right, ready, steady, go. Wow.
Ready, steady, here we go.
So the rain actually due, so we can wet up somewhat. Don't have no umbrella, no coat, not fully equipped.
Coat.
Yeah. So Kevin, Janet knows that we're coming this morning. Okay. Oh boy.
In the rain.
So you're saying since we last came the house, part of the house collapsed. So how them manage down there now?
Probably have to get they have to move out, they can't stay like something.
Oh.
They must move out.
So them probably have to go get them out.
Yeah.
I'm not sure when them out or what them out do.
Oh,
but have to go call them.
But they had a look yesterday.
Yeah, them got on them yesterday.
Okay.
But never went with them. So I'm gonna call them and find out what them up to.
Okay.
Them say they have to definitely come out.
Oh my. You guys have been having a lot of rain since the last time we come.
Last night, some fall this morning, not a lot. Last night.
Okay.
This morning.
Alright, you go up front, me follow. Oh, please, slippery.
Yeah, I've watched this stone.
Oops.
Yeah.
Oops.
Slidey.
Huh? We can't come?
Man.
Oh, I was just going to seek shelter somewhere because rain is coming down. And boy, there. Oh, well, you sure we have shelter down there? I have no shelter.
Yeah, shelter in my house today. We want to see where there's shelter when we're in a farm.
Not true. Hi, Miss Janet. How are you?
Not bad.
Oh, okay.
That's well away, so you know we go.
Boy, we have to share an umbrella this morning, Miss Janet.
Yeah, no problem.
How you doing?
Well, me just done feed me face with 2 biscuits.
How are you?
Oh, Lord. So how your mommy doing?
She's not bad.
Okay.
She not do nothing.
You see, I drink her tea.
Oh, your son gone to school?
Well, honestly, I'm not going through the certain little issues. I got this week through some issues.
Okay.
The cold time also. We have little stuff in nose and thing.
Okay.
But hopefully next week, yeah, we'll be back.
There we go.
Yeah.
So how now managing through all this rain and cold and something?
No, so we manage it.
She say you manage your life.
Oh wow.
Oh, Lord.
So Kevin, give us an update. He told us that a part of the house collapsed.
Yes.
Is which part of it collapsed?
The back one where it's with some black on the back.
Yeah. That same
About
part
3
of
weeks
it?
ago, yeah.
About
Yes,
3
it's
weeks
some
ago?
black. Yeah.
Oh, so you were inside when that happened?
I went to take up a slippers for my son to put on to come outside. Same as me take it up and grab the broom for sweep out the little piece of our kitchen. But you see when the door lintel, one door did there, one door we inside there. Outside the kitchen, me see when it a come down, everybody just come down.
Oh,
and they were shaky.
Yeah, because you had explained the last time that sometimes they even scared to
Yeah,
pass.
man, they were very shaky.
Yeah, so thank God nobody was in that part.
Nobody was there.
Yeah. Oh boy.
So we have to take zinc and back up and chop all in as usual. And
Yeah, you back it up with the zinc and
then
top
put the door inside, press on the zinc. You know, it goes me sit here, tie it up and so.
Yeah. So your mommy here today?
But she inside.
She inside. Okay, so
But she miserable. How far you land go?
You mean, for me, boy?
Yeah, how far?
For me, please, you start from the gate.
oh,
And you see wire there, so? Wire go down that side.
So that means
But you see the shoe block. Yeah, so that's
that
where.
means you can't build, you would not have to put it back there, so you can build further across, no?
No, but there's a old toilet there. I'm gonna want to destroy my banana.
No, that can't come down.
You can't say you can't put this so. Brother man, they say you can't go this so.
Max.
Yes, right this so. God say me can't destroy the banana. You could even lick. You see that black place there, sir? You could have liquid there, so. And I can extend it right to where you see that past a big stone there, so. All right, this is Brother Max say. If you go. No, me don't want it here. I don't want it. I don't want it, so.
The more easier and cheaper with the material. For if you have to have a taller foundation.
Split level.
Yeah, you have to have a taller foundation. You see there, so? The foundation is not just upon a level.
But as me say.
But our one did this, it's just a foundation upon a level. That's why it's going to cost you more material.
I really must go still because
who is Brother Mark?
he's a councillor.
Oh, so the council came and saw you yesterday?
Yeah, and the MP. I would call him when the house collapsed, you know. He's a strategic planner, caretaker. And the
Okay.
MP was there and some other man.
Not the MP.
The MP was here. I'm telling him that Mr. Newby was here with him.
MP. But it's not the MP, man.
He's the caretaker. Mr. Azan is the MP.
No, listen to me. Mr. Azan is the MP.
Yeah.
So Newby last.
You'll be a little older.
But he still come with Brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, he came with Brother Max.
Are they called me?
Yeah, he came.
They call me to rain a fall.
He came with Brother Max. So them say that them are going to give me a 2x4 ply and zinc. So them say now if you find out what you have, what donation you got. And they will take it from there. They will know what to do.
Okay, let's move.
You can come man. One of the shop come
Yeah,
there.
Marcel, you want to walk under this with the camera?
They come in the rain now. Don't come out in the rain. When you get sick.
Walk fast on that.
You can't walk faster, boy. Pretty slide.
Can't just walk
Right,
here,
you
so I stand
pull
up
it.
here. So walk that side.
Which side?
And look up at here, so.
Walk right here.
Yeah, man, you can. Whoop. Shelter.
Oh,
Yeah,
there's
make
a
it
steep.
people in.
Mama. That's so we can look for you.
Morning. Oh, Lord.
It smells smoke. You look like we get food to eat before we let you.
Oh, boy.
I get that off
Hold on,
you.
brother.
Take away the umbrella. If you watch it, I said the thing set up, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, this better.
All
You can
right.
shelter and the HR
This one
pan.
look well.
Hold on, let me see if I can.
Shut down your
Shut
umbrella.
the umbrella.
Okay, coming through. Oh,
Okay, shelter. No, yes, okay.
Yeah, man, look there, sir.
Yeah, me see look up there, like a shelter you find.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so let's continue with the conversation. You were saying they came, the councillor and the MP.
Losing it.
caretaker.
Yes.
Yes, and they were saying what now?
They said they're gonna give me a 2x4 and zinc. So they say I must find out what you have, what you got from donors, and they will take it from there.
So how they know so we get something from donor? Yeah.
Yes, so we find out what you have.
They
If
don't
you have
have
anything.
And then and then they'll take it from there. So they're going to help you.
Yes.
Okay, they're gonna help you with construction.
Yeah, they say they're gonna give me a temporary place until better.
Okay, so is there
Anything you get not temporary.
Yeah, them sisters.
so is there a timeline on that?
You mean like they tell me what time?
Yeah, like
they will
when?
come? No.
Also, it's indefinite. You don't know when they're coming back.
Well, based on what they said, I don't think it will be too long because when they look at it, they say it is an emergency. The whole place shaky. Well, what is left, like this will leave, it's shaky bad.
Yeah.
All this while, it's shaky bad too.
But,
Everything is shaky.
but what we can see now better than what we can see before, you know? Because the wall already run there, so with that drop.
Yes.
Yeah, that was
At least it
hazardous.
outside way,
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that was out of the way, but the rest will leave still no proper.
We know it's not good.
No good. Neither.
All right, so Miss Janet,
Yes.
we have so far 5 donors.
Oh.
All right, so 4 of our donors, anonymous donors, they have sent contribution towards your building project.
Yes.
All right, and then now we have another donor who she wanted us to buy you a food pan and some rat poison and some groceries, or she did state, or otherwise it depends on how you want to use it. So instead of buying anything, we decided to just take it to you so you can decide how you use it, because you know the needs that you have.
Yeah.
All right. However, what we have collected in donations would not be enough to start building.
Yeah.
Right. But we'll let you know after this what we have, and then based on what you have said, based on what the councillor said and the MP caretaker, then you guys can proceed. But does it sound to you? You feel confident, like this is it? They're gonna build you the house.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
So you don't look like you're happy.
We are trying to figure out that sometimes some people just come in your way and they make your spirit get, cross. They want you to get angry.
So me I talk about now?
No.
I know me.
The last video, when you came the first time, and just because me use up my English is a problem to people.
So
Me one house and me speak. That's why me if you talk bad.
Well, you
Then it don't matter how me talk.
No, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, and them I watch
Just
it
be
and
yourself.
I watch it and I laugh after me speak and a house man. Then it no matter how me
problem.
talk. It no matter how me talk.
Tell if you can one building black up with a guy.
Yeah, no, and then we talk that him a give a nail.
Don't worry about that, So when you try to move forward, the devil intervenes. So we're not gonna spend no time.
You know English have to do it.
If you have
Yeah.
English, go for dictionary. Pick out some English out here.
All right, guys. So we want to express our gratitude to everyone who has donated. We thank you very much, and may God richly bless you. And I know that Miss Janet is very grateful as well. Right, Miss Janet?
So yes, 4 of the donors.
4.
They give money.
Yes, towards the
towards
construction.
And the other one about
She said to
Buy
buy
rat poison. I buy 1 pan to put your food in as a.
and groceries.
So till when the rat them dead.
yes, but a joke.
So big them up, Miss Janet, and say thank you.
Well, I would like to express my thanks.
Patwa. Yes, sir, you fit chat.
Yes, go chat patwa.
Yes.
Well, let me say thanks to all the donors who have contributed to this housing project. Thank you very much, and may God continue to bless and keep you, and keep on doing what you're doing.
Yes. All right, well said. If your pattern so nice, you will like mine.
But that's another portion of patwa.
All right, so guys, we want to say thanks to everyone who has, watched the video, who has shared it, who has donated, everybody who pray for us. We want to say thank you very much, and may God continue to richly bless you. And as you heard Miss Janet a while ago, she was visited by the MP caretaker and the councillor who has promised to assist her, along with the donations that we have received. So we're just praying that, everything will go well in Jesus' name. All right, and Miss Janet will have somewhere next time we come to visit, somewhere comfortable.
No one to come in it, place a bill up.
Miss Janet, call me when the place are built.
Yes.
All right?
Yes.
So, all right, guys. So, until next time, this is where we end the video for today. And we thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye. We love you. We love you. We love everybody. Yes. Enough love. Enough love. Bye. Stay safe.
Blessings.
What?